And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you don't give up. I don't know what this is, but it was down in there stuck. That's why I couldn't get the spark plug off. I thought it was stripped, but it wasn't stripped. It was a piece of rubber. I don't know if it was the boot or what, but it was stuck down in there, and I don't know who did that, but got it. So now, do the last spark plug, be done. I'm ready to go. All right, here we go. All right, so it looked like there's some debris down in the spark plug well. So I'm gonna use some compressed air and hopefully blow it out. So it may not be stripped and it may not be the wrong size. So let's see what happens. All right, well, nothing came out. Let me take another picture and see if the thing that I saw in the picture has moved. All right, so it looks like whoever was the last mechanic that worked on here was an idiot. So there is a piece of, looks like what is a piece of an old boot or something that is stuck down in there. So what I'm gonna do is use I don't know if you can see that, but an old wire coat hanger and try to fish it out. So let's see if that works. I don't really have much visibility, so I'm trying to do this by touch. This wire is not working too good. I'm not sure. Maybe I need to take another picture to see if I'm even touching it. All right, so clothes hanger did not work, so I don't know what to use at the moment. Trying some of everything. I just need something to wrap down in there. Wish I had something sticky, but it looks like it's wedged down in there pretty good. The hardest part is that I can't see. I can't see anything, so I don't even know if I'm reaching it or what's going on here. All right, let's take pictures as we go. Let's see what we got. Boy, there's some surgery going on here. See if I can concentrate this air even more. Who would do this? All right, let's spray some WD-40 down there and see. Get it loose. I think I got it. All right, now it's just a matter of scooping it out. All right, let's see if I can now proceed to scoop it out. It's definitely moving. Let's see if the air worked now that it's moving before I get it stuck again. All right, so let's see if we can get this out of here. So that piece right there is now moving, but now I gotta figure out how to get it up and out. All right, might have to bend this so I can get under it. All right, let's go in, flip it this way. That's some real surgical. Coming. Oh no, don't fall. Okay, move this shit. Okay, move the light. Oh, need on those pliers. Got it. Oh. All right, I'm finishing up this job. Y'all done seen how the other 7 went. Same thing for this last one, and I'm done. Then I'm gonna be putting everything back together. There we go, now it's sitting on there. And it's in there. All right, now we gotta seal everything off. We'll start at the hardest one, which is this far back one. Let me just use the bit for now. This one has a little wire that you have to move back. This wire right here is blocking the hole, so it makes it very hard to get anything down there. See that there? The screw goes right behind here, but I can't really get to it that easily, so I have to move that while trying not to drop it. All right, so let's try to get that one. Not very confident right now, I gotta tell you. Not after doing all that, and my back is hurting. But we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, we got success. Stay focused so I don't mess up this last. If I do that, I'm going to be pissed. All right, all 4, well 8 are done. Other 4 over there, 4 here, done. All right, so what we have to do now is put the air box back on. Job is done and we are good to go. All right, woo. So that was a doozy. Hopefully you don't have that same experience. The job went good until I got to that 7th spark plug, and then all hell broke loose. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can see it. Piece of rubber, it looks like it is from a gasket or something. It's definitely a gasket, so maybe when they were changing something. Broke, went in there, didn't know, or did know and said screw it and put it back on there. And that's where we are. Nevertheless, got it out. Car has all 8 spark plugs replaced now, and we should be able to rock and roll with that. So hopefully this brought you some value. It taught me something, patience. But basically wanted to show you that you can change your spark plugs on any car. They're typically straightforward, whether it's 4 spark plugs, 6 spark plugs, like I have in the Maserati, or 8 spark plugs, like I have in the AMG, the E63 Amg. You too can do it. Probably save $600 maybe. I don't know how much they charge for a spark plug at the moment, but comment below if you know how much they would charge in your neighborhood. And if you have any other tips and tricks, maybe comment below, let me know. But this was interesting. Definitely something you can do, like I said, and you save tons of money. Unless you get something stuck like this, then it takes a little bit of time, but nevertheless, you still save money. If this video brought you some value, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. I'm going to continue doing DIYs and service jobs on all 3 cars, and hopefully that will give you some insight on how to do it yourself. So thanks for checking out my video, and until next time.